Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the stop the time effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Drag your footage to the timeline. Then add the second above. Go to Effects and to AI Portrait section and choose the Human Segmentation effect. Adjust the size to the other people. Then when the snap appears, make a cut. Right-click on the second clip, go to Speed and add Freeze. Then when the man winks, we're going to end the freeze frame. And speed up the rest of the clip. Now let's add some sound effects. Firstly, when the snap appears, we're going to add this sound effect which I got from Envato. Also for the wink I'm going to use this pop sound which I also got from Envato. And lastly, go to Audio and find the rising tension audio. Make sure to adjust it right, so the tension sound ends when the man snaps with his fingers. For that we're going to play with the speed of the audio. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.